which is a Naluri user engagement and performance indicator, which is designed to streamline the task management and improve overall efficiency for the admin, employees, and patient. So this system will ensure that each user has access to features tailored to their specific needs. So let me walk you through the functionality for each user role. There are three type of user in the system, which is admin, employee, and also patients, which is other end user. So for the first user role, we're going to explore the admin functionalities. So for the sign in and sign up, here we can create an account, name, email, username, password, and powerful password, and it will be sent to the database. Then for the login, let's log in here with the admin details and the password. So once you have done login and enter the correct password and email, so it will pop out on an alert that says sign in successfully. And then once you entered the dashboard for the admin, it will automatically fetch data for all type of user over here. So we have a video watch, book streets, article watch, and then a task completion. We've made a pie chart. We show here not completed and then the completed, and then total time taken for each of the tasks. Okay. Over here, when we select another patient, so let's say it's Hafizur Rahman over here, you click show data. If there is no data for the particular patient, then there will be a pop-up that say no task data available. Okay, so let's go back to the all user. Okay, so if there is a data, then the data will be fetched successfully and there will be an alert to say that. So let's go to the employee. So for the employee record, there will be a name, email, and ID. So for this, the admin is going to able to add an employee. So this is the add employee pop-up message. So there is name, email, username, and also password. And the user type is being selected, auto-selected to the employee. And then once you add, let's say we add it over here, test employee. And then with a test employee at gmail.com. The name is also test employee. Password will be test employee 01. And then we say, we press add employee. So there will be a pop-up that say employee has been added. The added employee, which is test employee with ID of 30, and then let's say we edit the employee. So the most easiest one you're going to be editing its name. And then once we edit, the employee will be updated, and then we can see here it's been changed. Okay, then let's delete the employee. So employee will be deleted and the data will fetch at its latest data. Task management, admin can add, edit, and remove the task operation, and then they can also assign the task to the patient, and then they can monitor the task effectively. So let's say there are three tasks over here, and then we're going to add a task. So this is our task pop-up, add task pop-up. Let's say test task, test task B, and the description will be test task description. And then the due date will be, let's say I put the past due date, then will be the pop-up which say that invalid due date. So the due date cannot be in the past, so it must be the future. So let's say we put it 31 January 2025, and then we say add task. So the task is being added, yes, successfully added. So this is the new task. Then to show the edit, we're going to change the description to put something like description below. And then the due date also being edited to the February 20th. And then the status will be also pending. So as you can see here, all the tasks is being updated to the latest one. So let's say, and then we delete it. Sure, yes, delete. So the task will be deleted. admins can update their patients and also can delete and assign tasks and add patient and also should show tasks that are assigned for a certain patient. So let's say we add a patient here, test user, developer, test, then we add user. So the user will be added. This is the new user. So this is the edit. So add one, update user. Then let's say we delete a patient. Just going to assign the task for them first. So the patient name we can't select any other patient. Task option, there are three tasks. We're going to assign the first task and then the second task and then the third task. So if there's a duplicate assign of task, so let's say here, then the task is already, there will be a warning that says task is already assigned to the user itself. Okay, then let's show the task. So this is the assigned task for all, for test user one patient. So for the test patient, this is the assigned task, also the same. So for user Rahman also, I already have two tasks. And for the patient, I mean, we'll be able to edit his profile. So let's say we go here and then delete the one. Then for the username, I'm just going to leave it there. Then for the password, I'm going to change it to ATMIN. That's it. And then the profile will be updated. So to test that password, you just update. Okay. I'm going to go to logout and then we go with the same admin one, same Gmail, and then password is ADM. So the because we say sign in successfully. So as usual, the data will be fetched successfully. Okay, use case it will be an employee. So as usual, we input the employee Gmail and password. Then we say sign in successfully. And then same with the admin panel. Employee will have access to the pie chart that show the task completion and task assigned. And every chart that will be displaying time taken for tasks in hours. And then they can choose for which patient. This one is because the first patient hasn't done anything yet. This is the data where the patient has submitted their task. Pages, employee able to retrieve the task data from the database and it will be shown here. Then employee cannot edit, delete or add another task. It is only can be done by the admin itself. So let's go to the patient pages. So the patient pages, employee able only to assign task for a specific user. So let's try to assign task for the patient AA. And then the task option will be this one. So the task is being assigned. So for this one, so the task has also been assigned. So let's go to the dashboard there. And the data will be updated accordingly. Test for which only. So it is 100% not completed yet. The profile pages is the same as the admin, where we can update our name and so on, and password. Let's change it into employee only without 01. And then update user, profile updated. So in order to test it, we're going to log out. To log out, we're going to sign in again. Employee, then employee without 01. So the call you say sign in successfully. As usual, the data will be fetched. And that's all for the employee dashboard.
The user pages. Okay, I will choose azrul@gmail.com as a user, and then I will enter the password. And then you sign in. Okay, it will show sign in successfully. Alright, for this is the landing page. And then we click get started. So here is the suggestion of the recommendation task. Okay, as you can see here, task completion, we are not completed yet. So three tasks not completed yet. And then time taken is 0 because we are not doing anything yet. So for click for the task, then there is several tasks that have been helped for user to do. So we click submit task, we complete the task, and then yes, enter time taken. For example, we click one, and then video watches, yes. Article read, yes, and then book read, yes. And then we click the sub task. Okay, we should pop up the success, the task status update successfully. Okay, then we go back to the recommendation. So as we can see here, complete task is 1, and then not completed task 2. And then total time taken is 1. Alright, we do one more. So we use test task on that, and then we click submit task. So we click task done, yes, and then for example we click 3, video watches, yes, article read, yes, and then book read, yes. We click the submit task, and then we show the pop-up again. Then success, okay. So we click the recommendation. Here, complete task update. So to the 2, and then not completed task to the 1. And then as we can see here, the graph should update them. Alright. So move on to the resources. So there is video, article, and books. So we go to the video, and then there is several video that help to user for we watch to complete the task. So we go to the resources back of the articles. There is several article, and then we go to the books. So this is the several books of user can read. Alright, we go to the profile. So profile. We can see here name, email, and username. So and then we can update the profile. So edit profile. Alright. So we update the name as Azrul. Alright. So email and username. So save changes and success. We'll update here. Azrul and Azrul. Alright. Then we can click the logout. So it will back to here. So that's all. Thank you.